Imagine you've just finished a long, hard day of work. You're tired, but you're also excited about that paycheck coming in. You've been planning a little treat for yourself, maybe a new gadget or a weekend getaway. But then you remember the hassle of waiting for the check to arrive, the trip to the bank, and the possibility of lost or stolen checks. Wouldn't it be great if there was a simpler, faster way to get your hard-earned money? That's where direct deposit comes in. Today, we're going to dive into whether OnPay offers direct deposit. This is a question that many people have, especially those looking for a convenient and secure way to receive their income. So, let's get started. What is direct deposit? Before we get into OnPay, let's quickly define what direct deposit is. Essentially, direct deposit is a method of electronic payment where your employer or other payer deposits your funds directly into your bank account. This eliminates the need for physical checks and can save you time and money. Benefits of direct deposit. There are several benefits to using direct deposit. First, it's incredibly convenient. You don't have to worry about going to the bank or dealing with lost or stolen checks. Second, it's often faster than waiting for a physical check to arrive in the mail. Third, direct deposit can help you avoid late fees if you have recurring bills that are automatically deducted from your account. And finally, it can be more secure than carrying around cash or checks. Does OnPay offer direct deposit? Now, let's get to the main question of this video. Does OnPay offer direct deposit? Well, the answer is yes. OnPay provides direct deposit as one of its key features. This means you can have your paycheck deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access your funds and manage your finances. How does OnPay direct deposit work? Setting up direct deposit with OnPay is simple. Once you've created an account, you'll need to provide your bank account information. OnPay will then verify your account and ensure that the direct deposit is set up correctly. From there, your paychecks will be deposited directly into your bank account on your scheduled payday. Security and reliability. One of the biggest concerns for many people when it comes to direct deposit is security. You want to be sure that your funds are safe and that your personal information is protected. OnPay takes security very seriously. They use advanced encryption technology to protect your data and have robust measures in place to prevent fraud. Additional features. In addition to direct deposit, OnPay offers other features that can make managing your finances easier. For example, you can use the OnPay app to track your income and expenses, set budget goals, and even receive alerts about your account activity. This can help you stay on top of your finances and make informed financial decisions. So, to recap, OnPay does offer direct deposit. This convenient feature can save you time and money and help you manage your finances more effectively. If you're looking for a reliable and secure way to receive your paycheck, OnPay is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.